What is good, gang? It's your boy Ruby Smooth. Welcome back to another video. You already know we got that smooth apparel on. Yo, what are you doing? Look at this. Yeah, I finally got a haircut too, right? Oof. I feel like this video, a lot of people want to do. So, I don't know why it took me so long to do this, but as you can see by the title and the thumbnail of this video, you're going to be installing the Starlights in the G37. I kind of thought about it, but I was like, fuck it, let me do it because I got to redo my headliner anyways because it's kind of sagging in the back. So I'm going to redo it, and since it's out, might as well just do the Starlights. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys my point of view of how to do it. You feel me? So I've never done it before. It's gonna be my first time, but you gotta do it. Gotta send it. So I've been working on the car the past 2 days. I just haven't recorded it because it's kind of boring. I was spray painting some undercoating in the front and putting some fender liner because it's just way too loud. And in the rear, I was just doing some small shit. But since I already have all these pillars wrapped, I don't have to like take them out the car. But I'm pretty sure if you're gonna do this to your Infiniti, you're gonna want to wrap them because it'll just look weird if you don't. But in order to take off this headliner, you gotta take off your front pillars, which you could just stick a flathead through here, push it, and it'll just pop off. It's just clips. And then you gotta take off this side pillar. There's just one clip on the top that's like, you think something else is like screwed in, but it's not. It's just one fucking clip that's just like does not want to come off. And then you gotta take off your rear pillars all the way in the back. Since mine's already wrapped, I don't have to take those off because the way my headliner is built, I don't have to go back there. Yeah, you gotta take off your seats, and you gotta take off the rear deck to take those off. But I don't gotta do that, thank God. So I'm gonna just take off the front pillars, take off the side pillars. I'm gonna just let it hang. The back, I'm pretty sure it's just clips. And then once you got the back hanging, you're gonna have some harnesses clipped here. You gotta unclip that. You got a harness in the back. You gotta unclip that, and then yeah, I mean literally just take off everything. Let me just tell you that, literally just take off everything that might be holding it up, and then it'll just come off eventually. So eventually everything's off. So there's like one main clip up there on top. It's literally all like clips. Actually, the middle right here is Velcro, and then you got one big clip in the front that connects up there. It's a harness, and then there's a couple harnesses on that pillar over there that you gotta unclip. I forgot how I took this thing out. I think I took it out to the back seat. The car's a whole mess now. I be doing my work backwards, bro. I be taking on and off things like 100 times. We got it though. You see right here, this is where it was sagging. You could tell. Hell yeah. Freaking bird. How the fuck I get bird shit? Bird shit. It's like 8 o'clock at night. Who's outside right now shitting, bro? The fuck?
Of course not. Aquí no se puede contar con nadie.
So I got the headliner all ripped up. I even took off the factory one and the old one. So here we got the headliner. I went out today and I bought some adhesive. So I'm gonna try this adhesive out Permatex. I heard it's good. I want to give a shout out real quick to Jonathan, all the way from Florida. He recently did his headliner, and he kind of gave me tips on how to do it since mine didn't come out as good. So he gave me a few pointers. He recommended me that adhesive and how he did it. So shout out to him. Hopefully, mine comes out as good as his did. He did the Starlights too. So my Starlights, they come in tomorrow. So once that comes in, I'll throw that on too. So look what came in the mail today.
Show me.
I'm not gonna show you.
Show this.
What are you doing? No. So I just dropped a video.
So you can watch it later.
If you guys ain't seen that yet, go watch that. I got 99 problems, and it's on my car. You feel me? So the what are these called? LED fiber lights. Why are you screaming, bro? The LED fiber lights comes with the 120 volt power, and it comes with the car one too right there. So we got that, but I gotta make it work, so because I don't want to use this, so I might just run this straight to the battery. And then we have, I'm guessing this is the brains, because there's nothing else. So I'm guessing this is the brains of the whole thing. And then we got the lights right here, the strips of lights. So this, obviously, this comes and connects right here. And you power this, and it comes with a control. So this pack comes with 550 strips. So with a Sharpie, I'm gonna mark out 550 dots. Then with this thumbtack, I'll poke it through. Then I'll send the light through. And then we will use some hot glue gun. And that's it. Hopefully it goes smooth. 550 lights. Too much. So it's been a couple days now. I kind of forgot where I left off. This project is very time consuming. It's very time consuming, and after all this, my fingers hurt. Cause I was using a thumbtack, poking the holes through, and then sending the actual fiber through the hole, and that took me like 4 days in total, like after work and stuff. So I did that, and then look at this mess I have here. I used duct tape just to like hold this in place, because this is like a freaking mess over here. So I used duct tape to kind of hold it in place. But it's not hard. If you guys want to do this, it's not hard. It's just time consuming. But let me show you guys how it came out. It came out pretty dope. Oh ho ho ho! This came out beautiful. Came out so nice. And it has the controller to change the colors, but it didn't come with a battery. I don't know why. Let me show you with the lights off. Looks dope. Super, super dope. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I might go outside and put it on, but it actually snowed yesterday out here, bro. A lot too. See this? See that snow? Wag, bro, wag. I high key, I hate this time of the year. So whack. I hate the freaking winter.
Like this, can't move like this, got swag like Mike.
So here we got the final result. So I have to go get some batteries because I have no batteries. I didn't tell you guys, but I got the car tinted, bro. We out here murdered out. 20% all around. Don't mind the car, it's freaking filthy, but 20% all around. Hey, you can't even see inside now. So we just got out, fresh out the wash. Car looks freaking mint, especially with these tints. Yo, tell me that didn't come out fire. Sheesh. Nasty. If you guys trying to do this, it's definitely worth it. It's just time consuming and kind of annoying, but this is the result you get. I'll put a link down below of the link where I got it from, so you guys can copy if you guys want to. You can do this to any car. Obviously, just you gotta take off your headliner and figure out a way to put the actual box. I got the box all the way in the trunk. It's kind of good if you get it long enough, because there's a bunch of lengths on the actual lights. I got like 13 feet, I think. Yeah, like 13. I think it's like 13 and a half, something around there. So I got 13 feet. That way I can have all that extra slack and bring it all the way to the trunk. With the wire it comes with, I don't have it no more because I already cut it. But I just cut the part where you plug it in onto your car. I cut that. I got the wires out, and you have a red and a black, and then I just connected it to the power I got back there, and you got light. And then right here on the control, you have an on and off button. So turn it off, turn it on. You have an on and off button, you see, and you got a bunch of colors here. You could jump, you can do a bunch of shit here. Let me see, fade. You got a bunch of colors. This control is kind of already broken. And then we got the low-key over here. Look at my ceiling, bro.
You got the little things. And they change color?
Yeah.
Oh, touch it.
Don't touch it, it's kind of rough.
I like it. Can you tell me where you're gonna be for Halloween?
What?
Because I might not see you.
You'll see.
No.
Put it on.
Are you gonna send me a picture?
You'll see, nigga. So yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to do it, go ahead and do it. It's really not that hard. And yeah. Oh, yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want some of the merch, the Smooth apparel, it'll be down in the link below. If you guys want some hats, hit my line on Instagram at RubySmooth. And yeah, I got some hoodies, some shirts, and I got some hats. But the hats, I have them with me, so hit me up. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Support me.